Today we're exploring the world of nutrition with a focus on superfoods, what they are and how to incorporate them. Superfoods are nutrient-dense powerhouses that offer numerous health benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting heart health and improving skin complexion. In this session, we'll uncover the characteristics that define superfoods and explore practical ways to integrate them into our diets. Join me as we discover delicious recipes, simple meal ideas, and smart shopping tips to make these nutritional powerhouses a regular part of your lifestyle. Let's unlock the potential of superfoods for a healthier and more vibrant you. Today we will talk about superfoods, what they are and how to incorporate them. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Superfoods have gained popularity for their exceptional nutritional benefits and potential health-promoting properties. While there is no official scientific definition of superfoods, the term generally refers to nutrient-dense foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. This comprehensive guide explores various superfoods, their health benefits, and practical tips on how to incorporate them into a balanced diet for optimal health and well-being. 1. Understanding superfoods. Superfoods are nutrient powerhouses that offer a wide array of health benefits beyond basic nutrition. They are typically rich in antioxidants, phytochemicals, fiber, healthy fats, and other essential nutrients that support overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Examples of superfoods include berries, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, whole grains, and certain spices and herbs. 2. Benefits of superfoods. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can provide numerous health benefits. Heart health. Certain superfoods can support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and promoting healthy blood vessel function. Weight management. Incorporating nutrient-dense superfoods into meals can aid in weight management by promoting satiety, reducing cravings, and supporting metabolic function. 3. Types of superfoods. Explore these categories of superfoods and their specific health benefits. Berries. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which may improve cognitive function and support heart health. Strawberries, high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting skin health and immune function. Acai berries, packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats, aiding in inflammation reduction and supporting digestive health. Leafy greens. Spinach contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron, supporting bone health, vision, and blood clotting. Kale, high in vitamins A, C, and K, along with calcium and antioxidants, promoting detoxification and reducing cancer risk. Swiss chard, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium and potassium, supporting bone health and blood sugar regulation. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, high in vitamin E, healthy fats, and fiber, supporting heart health and aiding in weight management. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting digestive health and reducing inflammation. Flax seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, supporting heart health and hormone balance. Fatty fish. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D, supporting brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Sardines, high in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D, supporting bone health, heart health, and immune function. Mackerel contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and selenium, promoting heart health, brain health, and reducing inflammation. Whole grains. Quinoa, high in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, supporting muscle repair, digestive health, and blood sugar regulation. Oats, rich in fiber, particularly beta-glucan, promoting satiety, digestive health, and reducing cholesterol levels. Brown rice contains fiber, B vitamins, and minerals, supporting energy production, digestive health, and blood sugar control. Spices and herbs. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound, supporting joint health and reducing inflammation. Ginger, anti-inflammatory properties, aiding digestion, reducing nausea, and supporting immune function. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and may improve heart health. 4. Tips for selecting and storing superfoods. Ensure optimal freshness and quality when selecting and storing superfoods. Fresh produce. Choose organic options when possible, and select ripe, seasonal fruits and vegetables for maximum flavor and nutrient content. Nuts and seeds. Opt for raw or dry roasted varieties without added salt or oils, and store in a cool, dark place to prevent spoilage. Fish. Select wild-caught fatty fish such as salmon or sardines for higher omega-3 content, and store in the refrigerator or freezer to maintain freshness. Whole grains. Purchase whole grains such as quinoa, oats, and brown rice in bulk or pre-packaged options, and store in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. 5. Potential considerations and precautions. While superfoods offer numerous health benefits, consider the following considerations. Allergies and sensitivities. Be mindful of food allergies or sensitivities when incorporating new superfoods into your diet, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have specific dietary concerns. Interaction with medications. Some superfoods, herbs, or supplements may interact with certain medications, so consult with a healthcare provider if you are taking medications regularly. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can enhance overall health and well-being by providing essential nutrients, antioxidants, and potential health benefits. By including a variety of superfoods such as berries, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, whole grains, and spices and herbs, you can create flavorful and nutrient-dense meals that support optimal health. Whether enjoyed in smoothies, salads, stir-fries, or snacks, superfoods offer versatility and nutritional value that contribute to a balanced and vibrant lifestyle. Start incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals to experience their health-promoting benefits and enjoy delicious, nourishing dishes that support your well-being. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.